Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will learn how to monetize our Telegram mini app using Monetag. First of all, we have to build our Telegram mini app. We build a app using simple HTML, and for this style we use Tailwind CSS, and we also use Telegram SDK to take user data, and also we use the AdsGram SDK. Also we have the configuration. If we use Monetag, here we can add the ID of AdsGram, and here is for the Monetag. So let me show you the app we build. Here is a simple app. User will click here on the add watch. So let me show you what kind of ads will be show on the screen. Okay, right now I am clicking here on the watch ad, and you can see on the screen something. Okay, I think we have a issue with the VPN. Open app. Okay, something wrong with the ads. No ads available at this moment, try later, because we are using VPN and something. Here is the tasks and the invite and the withdraw this app. So here is the other app. Let me show you the ads, how it's display on the screen. Okay, so we can click on the start earning now. So here we can see the ads by Monetag. What we have to do, simply sign up on the Monetag and make sure you have to give the right information before sign up, because they will ask the verification of your original documentation when you get the payments. So in the create new button, so you have to choose the Telegram mini app, add new app, and then you have to write the Telegram mini app name. Like if here is the username, if we use this board name here and add and continue, so they will give us a code that we have to add in our index.html file. Here you can see the Monetag ID and Monetag show fun, these two for the Monetag. If we are using AdsGram, then we have to give here the AdsGram ID. We can get here the ID. The same process like a create platform, and we can give them the app URL, Telegram mini app URL, and the same process. This app, here we build it for free for everyone, is public on our GitHub, and here is the GitHub repo, and we will also post the GitHub repo link in the description. You can clone it, and here is the instructions. you can follow. Here is the configuration file, and the process how you can create an adsgram account, and the Monetag, and how to set up these ID. And then you have to hosting for the free on the GitHub pages, or you can host it on Render and the Versal. So make sure you have to first read the policies of the Monetag and the adsgram, and don't run the fake ads and fake click, otherwise you will get banned. If you need any information about Telegram mini apps, and you want to build us apps like this, we build this app, and here is the task for this app, and the invite the friends and earn. There is three levels, 1, 2 and 3. So the first level will get this amount, and here is the withdraw for tone and USDT minimum. This app also have dashboard, and we can control the tasks, and the see the withdraw payments and everything else. If you would like to build us Telegram, then contact us on our Telegram. Thank you.